How to draw Bingo. To begin drawing Bingo, we're going to draw a squoval. This is a mix between a square and an oval shape. On the right side, we're going to leave a little gap because this is where we'll draw Bingo's right arm. Then we're going to draw Bingo's right arm. We're going to draw two straight lines going upwards in the gap that we made. Then we're going to draw Bingo's hand. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we're going to add a few lines for details, and then we're going to move on to the tail. For Bingo's tail, we're going to start on the right lower side of her body, and we're going to draw a line going outwards. Then we're going to draw a couple curved lines for the edge of her tail, and then we're going to connect it back to her body. Then to add a little detail to Bingo's tail, we're going to add a line going across the end. Next, we're going to draw Bingo's legs. We're going to start with the right one. We're going to draw a straight line going down. And then a little bit to the left, we're going to draw another straight line going down, but just a little bit shorter, because then we're going to draw Bingo's foot at the bottom. Next, we're going to draw some lines to add details. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Your drawings are coming along great! Now we're going to draw the left leg the same way that we drew the right one. And make sure to stick around until the end so that we can color in our drawings together. Now we're going to start drawing Bingo's face. We're going to draw a big oval for her right eye. After that, we're going to make her snout and mouth. Now we're going to add a little line in her mouth. This will be the edge of her teeth. Then we're going to add her left eye. We're going to start at the top of the snout and we're going to make an oval shape, but we're not going to draw the bottom of the oval, just the top. Now that we have the outline of the eyes, we're going to draw the pupils inside. Great job, we're almost done drawing her face, but first we have to add a triangle-like shape for her nose. Next, we're going to draw her left arm. We're going to draw this one the same way that we drew her right arm. Wow, your drawings are coming along great! Now we're almost done, just a few more steps. Now we're going to draw her ears. We're going to start all the way towards the left top of her body, and we're going to make a triangle-like shape. Then we're going to draw another one exactly the same but on the right side. Next, we're going to draw Bingo's eyebrows. They're going to be all the way up in her ears because she's so excited. To finish drawing the ears, we're going to draw a smaller triangle inside of each one. For the final steps, we're going to add some details to Bingo. We're going to draw a big rectangle at the bottom of his body. Then we're going to add a half circle to the right side, and we're going to add a small oval on her tail. And finally, we're going to add some curved lines towards the top of her head. This is how to draw Bingo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then make sure to subscribe. Stick around till the end and color in your Bingo with us.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.